Today, I'm gonna tell you about kites. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. Kites lets you build mobile or friendly microsites with interactive features that engage visitors. The microsite builder that creates mobile-first interactive experiences without any coding. Create mobile or friendly microsites for your campaigns with interactive elements that engage visitors. Measure the performance of your campaigns with detailed analytics, without needing to collect cookies. Alright, let's create a kites. First of all, you can choose from hundreds of templates to get started. You will see pretty quickly these templates aren't just pretty designs. That's because kites is all about functionality. Whether you're creating payment pages, surveys, or link in bios, kites has the perfect template. Here's how easy it is to edit them. Kites are made of slides like this, so you can edit elements using drag and drop or slider skills, which means the buttons, text, media design, and layout are in your control. Interactive microsites for mobile marketing. And if you really want to spice things up, add some animation like this. That's fun, and just remember, with kites, you're one click away from adding advanced functionality. Design your own online resources seamlessly. Want to throw in a pop-up buttons to toggle back and forth between slides? How about allowing users to make phone calls, send emails, or add calendar events? Even if your design is from Canva or Photoshop, you will be able to add whatever functionality you need. Kites preview feature will make sure you're creating the best user experience. Once it's good to go, you can easily share it via QR code on social media or through platforms like WhatsApp. And every single data point is being tracked for you. Best of all, this tool is built with zero cookies. See the only cookies you need to worry about. Design content quickly, increase engagement with your audience, and optimize your mobile marketing campaigns. So let's say you want to create interactive catalogs, menus for restaurants, or high-quality interactions with customers. Or maybe you want to collect payments or share interactive surveys. Either way, you're going to need to use kites to get the job done. Measure data in real time to optimize your campaigns. Integrate kites in your CRM and maximize its potential to manage your leads. 100% reliable data without using cookies. You can build microsites for any use case in minutes with a variety of content templates designed for all types of businesses. Turn your visitors into leads by adding payments, emails, WhatsApp messages, event calendars, and more. You can quickly generate custom QR codes for your content, engage visitors with interactive elements like quizzes, polls, and surveys using built-in gamification tools. You can also add elements specific to your campaign needs, including raffles and discounts for targeted campaigns. You'll get detailed analytics on campaign performance that can be visualized right on your dashboard. Create mobile-friendly microsites in a no-code platform. You can develop and drive segmented traffic to interactive, mobile or friendly microsites that feature audience-specific content. Build unique experiences without coding. So, click on the link below to kites for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.